Right, welcome back if you've been here before. Today's video is about the Wave Mic Arm LP, which is low profile by Elgato. So I hope that's how you say it. It's a streamlined and fully adjustable low profile design for an unobstructed desk and on-screen appearance. If I could talk, it'd be something. Tension adjustable joints let you set swing and fall resistance. It's an all-metal anti-torsion construction, 360 degrees rotatable ball head, which is handy. Adjustable tension, integrated management for the cables, and supports a 1/4, 3/8, and 5/8 mount. Okay, so I actually bought this from Elgato itself, and on the website it was £89 something, but at the time free postage. And I needed one because I've got a mic arm here, but I was thinking I could do, because I often turn that way a lot, so it means I'm talking away from the mic. I could simply just turn that there and put it on the end there, but the fact is that it's a higher profile and that's a heavier mic. I've got another mic which is a Wave 3. I've got that. I'll show you a video on that when the time comes. So I thought if I should try a low profile one, which will come along the bottom there and slightly stick up a bit, so it won't be in my face so much. So I bought one of these. When I bought it, there was a Valentine deal going on that was 15% off, so I used the code, and this cost me with delivery £72 something by the time it finished, which I thought was okay, because I went on eBay, they were selling for 95, 100 quid for exactly the same thing. I thought, I bought this from Elgato, it was shipped via scan.co.uk. Well, they must be one of the resellers. It came the next day, so can't complain. And here it is. I've got time to show you now, so I'll give you an unboxing on this. And the box wasn't damaged, it was okay, there was no concerns. Straightforward purchase, which I like. It's better than having a lot of faff. It's well taped up, that's for sure. So there we go. So what do you get in the box? In the box you get, don't know if you can see that, you get the instructions, which I won't be throwing these away. I guess I'll use them. I'll give you a quick look through now, see what they're about. It's got a desk clamp. It shows you where the handle. It's got a padded bottom, so when you attach it to the bottom of your desk, it won't leave a mark, which will make no difference because I'm in the shed anyway. Push button to reposition. Oh, right, okay. So once you've tightened it, you can push the button and reposition for whatever reason. Let's have a look. It's got the measurements there. Don't know if you can see that. If you want me to hold it, you can pause it and you can have a look. So if you can see, that'll make it easier. It's a Wave Mic Arm LP, that's what it says here. And it shows you how to adjust it. Gives you the adapters there, which is handy. And the top of them, that'll be for hiding the cables. I think is magnetic. And the rest of it is all foreign to me. Might be your language. So in the box you get, I'll be honest, straight away I notice that that's dirty. Maybe it just wants a wipe. Oh my God. Oh, I just hate that when things have been rubbing in the box and it's dirty already. I'm triggered. Shouldn't be really, but there we go. That's that fixed. So this part here will fit into the mount. Then you can adjust this, tighten, slacken. If you want it that high, you can do it like that. I'll show you on this as well. And then you can choose to, you got the ball clamp there, so you can choose which way you want that, and on the top of that is where you'd mount your mic. So that's that there. So that'd be coming I don't know, say from there, when I'm sitting down, and I could have the mic there, like so. So it's more of a low profile rather than my face here. It's there, so sort of thing. So you can move it down a bit. You can take it out. You can bring it like that if you wanted to. It all depends where you really want it. So that's the reason why I bought it. The actual cover for it, if you can see this, these are magnetic. It's quite heavy. See if you can clip that on. So they just slot in. And that's it. I'm not sure why it was dirty. I think what it is been rubbing in transit. And all this dirt part was just what was the residue off the paper packing. Which I'm glad to see, because a lot of people should, well, these manufacturers should go towards cardboard because it's just degradable, whereas foam would last forever. You'll throw the item away and the foam will still be there for 200 years. So that's that part there. You could just, when you're done, you fold it out your way. This is the base for it. It's quite chunky, big logo, and this part here, which is only small. As you can see, that'd fit. Oh, that fits nice into there like that. And if you, what if I could show you on it? Probably not. Push button. So it's got quite a bit of a turn on it. So just go like that, and then push it in. Onto that correctly, yeah, and then you just get your position once it's on, and then you can just tighten it up to wherever you want. Obviously it's not going to be there for me, but if I wanted it there and I wanted the microphone right there in front of me, I could do it. It'll be over here for me, but this is just for me to show you there like that. So all you can do then, if you finish with it, just take it out of the way, carry on what you're doing, bring it back if you want it. Or if you're a gamer, you can have it on the side there, low profile. You can see your screen. I think for what I paid, I think it was £72 something delivered. I got a good deal. So you don't have to look into eBay all the time for a good deal. What's this? Oh, these are the adapters, aren't they? Yeah, these are just the adapters and an Allen key. So I'll keep them in the box. I'm not too sure where I'm going to put it at the moment. I'm going to have to have a mess around and see what's good for me, kind of thing. But it's quite solid, good metal construction. Nice to see a padded and a broad clamp on the bottom. So it's rather than it being a little circle, it's got a huge clamp there. So you're going to have a really good grip no matter where you put it. And that's the end of this video. If you like this video, or you bought one yourself, and let me know what your opinion is of it. And would you prefer the Rode PSA Plus One or the Elgato, or you like me, you use different one for a different reason. Okay, folks, if you like this video, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I appreciate it. It helps my channel and helps the YouTube algorithm, so other people find these videos. If you got any comments about this or any of the video, please put them in the comment section. I do reply to everyone, and I also appreciate your input. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.